Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, we are sitting at the 78%, but we don't really know if this is going to hold or not. It definitely could turn into an expanding correction, which would go down and take out all these lows before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly, yes, we've been drifting up on the weekly, but this move up right here has not broken any structure or made a significant higher low. The trend is definitely still down on the weekly time frame. So taking it down to the daily is where we do have a break of structure to the upside. We definitely do have a break to the upside on the daily, which tells me that this last section of trend from here to here is complete. Now, we don't know that this is a trend reversal. A break of structure could just mean that there's a correction to the last impulsive move down. So pay very close attention to your Fibonacci levels on shorter time frames for a break to the downside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, very sideways as you can see, we are sitting at a fib level. If price goes down and breaks structure with momentum, then I would definitely take it as a short, or I would start looking for shorts on pullbacks. If it doesn't go down and break structure, which it definitely doesn't have to, but instead it keeps going up, making its way up to the 61% and beyond, then we should be looking for longs because we do have a break of structure on the to the upside on the daily time frame. So technically, we should be looking for longs right now until we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we should be looking for longs right now, unless we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, we should definitely be looking for longs. If we do get a break of structure to the downside at a Fib level, then I would definitely stop looking for longs, and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. But it doesn't have to turn at this Fib level. It could easily just make a little push down, kind of like what happened yesterday, and then just keep on going up. So definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long, unless we get a break to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, which we definitely do not have yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.